Oh no, this is a big, I think it's a hawk eating her prey. It's probably a bird, crow, I'm not sure. That's why since morning all the crows are so noisy today. Wow, I'm surprised. At first I thought it's my bird feeder that attract all the crows, and then I surprised because usually it doesn't happen. Now I know the real cause. The hawk is just on the electric pole and eating probably one of the baby crow, not sure. Wow, it's a harsh winter. You know, everybody have to survive. That's the ecosystem. Hopefully she didn't, she killed that before, you know, tearing flesh from that poor crow or the bird. I hope so. Anyway, I feel good that I was able to share with you. It's not very clear, but look at how attentively she's finishing her meal. It's cold, but no snow today. This is a big predator bird.